Like somebody just asked about rubbers and how they hold them. So this is the PVC pipe. I heard one other gentleman, at least one other gentleman, say this, but I think this is a 1-inch pipe. Put some caps on the end, and I hold my rubbers in there. Keeps them straight. You don't want these things to curl up on you, then they tend to drag on the window. If you keep them straight, they're much better. Never buy the ones in Home Depot that are wrapped up in a circle. Hold that thing straight up and it has a big curve. That's a no-no. But this thing is awesome. Got one for each truck. Well, I had 2 trucks at one time. Now I'm down to solo again. But I'm going to be growing, so I'll be making more of these later.